2 days after his Purulia visit, Prime Minister Modi is set to storm Mamta's turf. He's scheduled to address another rally at Kharagpur at about 11 a.m. Tweeting about his visit, the Prime Minister said his focus is going to be elaborating BJP's development agenda for Bengal. Ahead of his visit, the West Bengal Chief Minister took a jibe on Prime Minister Modi while addressing a rally in Purulia. She accused the Prime Minister of stealing her Poriborthan slogan, calling him a copycat. Now, with the Prime Minister returning to battleground Bengal, it's going to be very interesting to see whether Didi's remarks are going to be countered with Poriborthan roars yet again.
अब ये तय हो गया है 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे আসল পরিবর্তন আছে
পরিবর্তন তো মমতা ব্যানার্জির স্লোগান তুমি মমতা ব্যানার্জিকে টুকলি করছো কেন নিজের কিছু বিদ্যা বুদ্ধি আছে তো দাও বাবা কিছু ব্রেন থেকে বের করো আমরা তো পরিবর্তন তোমাদের করব নেক্সট দিল্লিতে বাংলায় জিতলেই দিল্লি ঝাঁপাবো এবং বিজেপিকে কাঁপাবো তাই ওদের এত রাগ আমার উপর মনে রাখবেন ওরা দেখছে বাংলায় জিতে গেলেই মমতা আমাদের খুব বিপদ
খেলা হবে চাই না বিজেপিকে বিদায় দাও
ये खेल खत्म होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए दीदी ये आवाज सुनिए ये शंखनाद सुनिए अब हर तरफ से एक ही आवाज है टीएमसी का खेला शेष टीएमसी का खेला शेष खेला खत्म अब ये तय हो गया है 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी যাচ্ছে আসল পরিবর্তন আছে
কোনো মায়া নেই এদের কোনো দয়া নেই এদের এরা হচ্ছে স্বৈরাচারী দুরাচারী রাবণের দল এরা শুধু গিলতে এসছে দুর্নীতি করতে এসছে
Prema Rajaram reporting from Kolkata is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Prema, all the politicking aside, what is the voter sentiment looking like? Very curious to know what is the sentiment riding amongst the electorate as the BJP and TMC are right out there fighting it out.
As the fierce battle continues between the BJP and the TMC, is the voters now wondering which way the winds will change to whether it will be BJP that will come in or the Trinamool Congress. But for that, they're watching with bated breath whether it's the speeches of Prime Minister Modi or Mamta Banerjee. And the BJP has released its list of candidates, though not in all 294 seats. They're still to release the list, and also the manifesto on Sunday is awaited from the BJP side. Mamta Banerjee, of course, is fiercely campaigning in various parts of West Bengal, sitting on a wheelchair. And Prime Minister Modi is visiting West Bengal today and expected to hold a rally at Kharagpur. Now, this comes 3 days after he held a rally in Purulia in West Bengal, and this was on Thursday. So the BJP upping the ante, and as far as the voters are concerned, they want to see what the issues are that the parties are talking about, whether it's development, because that is the prime issue that they are looking at when it comes to the state of West Bengal. And that is exactly what the BJP is doing when hitting out at the TMC over the development issue. But when it comes to TMC, they are saying they are the ones who know the state, who can rule the state. So this is exactly what is on the minds of voters, as which party can govern the state of West Bengal the best. But all eyes on Prime Minister Modi as he addresses a rally in Kharagpur today. Back to you.
Absolutely. Thanks, Prema, for joining us with those details. It's a big...
Hi, everyone. Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.